It's carpet cleaning training again with Dreddy. Back again with you with another video, people. Guys, you see what's going on, man? We're doing some couches. Well, we're doing a couch, microfiber couch. All right, back in the day, I used to do these for Aaron's Furniture, Renaissance. I'm talking about I would have like 4 or 5 couches next to the Chinese restaurant, outside in the back, steaming them babies in the shade. Now, you know, we do it for individuals, of course, with express carpets. If you need your carpets done or couches done, drop us a call, man. Let us know that you have this need. Now, what I'm going to be doing is generally you wet the couch first, all right, spray down those areas with just water. And then I have a solution with a degreaser and a deodorizer, okay? Now, what that does, that helps to lift the stains from this microfiber. The microfibers, they clean up really good. So it's one of these things that you definitely need to do, all right? Guys, love you. Enjoy the show, man. Peace.